Hi, I'm Raw Chef Yin, and today we're going to make Vietnamese vegan pho. It's for real! You can actually make Velicious pho without the beef. So, we're going to make Vietnamese pho, and these are all the ingredients that we're using to make the pho. Okay, so we're going to make the noodles for the pho. I'm going to just cut the radish so that it can fit into the spiralizer. I'm cutting this radish into 3 pieces. And then what we do is we fit it inside here, spiralize. So we're done spiralizing the radish into noodles. Let's transfer them into the bowl. Okay, to make the broth, we're going to put in some water first. And then we'll put in the apples, the leek, ginger goes in, and the garlic. Okay, and then we'll blend this up. Okay, so now we're going to pour this out and strain it. Okay, so we're going to take the strained liquid and put it back into the blender. Soy sauce goes in. Lime juice. We have the 5-spice powder, the miso, a bit of black pepper as well. So let's put in the shiitake mushrooms. Start blending. Alright, now that the broth is ready, let's pour it into the noodles. And then let's put in the vegetables. We'll put in some of the Napa cabbage. And we'll have the shiitake mushrooms. And then we'll have some Beansprouts. Coriander. Some chilli for some spice, and then spring onions. So this is your Vietnamese pho. This is so good. It's for real. Very, very satisfying. So yeah, you can make this for your friends and family and have wonderful Vietnamese vegan pho. So if you like this video, remember to click like and subscribe to our channel and smash that notification bell so you'll be the first to get updates from all of us. So remember to leave your comments below and let me know what you want me to make next.